Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Matthew Michael, and let's get one thing straight. In my last video, and I'll leave a link up there, somewhere, I said things that continuously pay you are called assets. I said that incorrectly. While some assets do pay you continuously, when you're getting paid continuously without having to do any work, it's called passive income. You're receiving passive income. In this video, I'll be talking about 10 different ways where you can make income passively right from the comforts of your own home. If you're new here, please subscribe. I post a new video every week on Saturdays. Here on my channel, I make how-to videos and tips and tricks videos on how to save and make the most out of your money. I also plan to share the business skills that I have learned throughout the years that I ran my own business. Here on my channel, the goal is to build a community of like-minded individuals, all focused on one goal, and that is financial freedom. So please subscribe and be sure that you smash that like button. Alright, so if you're watching this, you're probably looking for some ways to make some extra income right from your home. In this video, I'm going to tell you about 10 different ways that you can make income right from the comforts of your own home. Most of these methods require no money and can be done using a cell phone, tablet, or computer. It's incredible the access that the information age has allowed us to have right at our fingertips. Now that's enough of me just talking. Let's get into the ways that you can rake in the dough right from your home. Number one is crowdfunded real estate, which is a great way to make money while you sleep. Great for people that want to own real estate that don't quite have the money to buy investment properties on their own yet. Through crowdfunded real estate, you are a partial owner of an investment property, which means that you also receive the income produced from the investment properties. You can do this through companies like Fundrise, starting at $500. Or if you're balling on a budget, you can do the same through a company called Rich Uncles, and then you can start as low as $5. I'll link both down below in the comments. And just so that you guys know, these are not affiliate links, so I don't get any form of compensation for them. The second way that you can bring in extra income is stocks that pay dividends. And y'all, I know I said that most of these don't require any money. Keep watching, they're coming. Most of them don't require money. You just gotta keep watching. A great app for investing in the stock market for beginners is Robinhood. Because Robinhood has no commission fees, beginners are able to learn the stock market without having to waste money on commissions. Also, if you sign up for Robinhood using the link in the description, you and I both get a free stock valued up to worth $300 just for signing up. Alright, so just so y'all know, the Robinhood link is an affiliate link. And if y'all don't want to use my link and get the free stock, y'all can still download Robinhood through the App Store and open it the same way. If you're going to take the stock dividends route, make sure that you learn a little bit about the company, educate yourself before you buy it, so that the dividends you earn from the company pay you for years to come. I personally educate myself through watching YouTube videos, but it's also a good idea to go with companies that you know and that you believe in. The earlier that you start in the stock market, the greater returns you'll make and the less risk involved over time. But if you are an emotionally unstable person and can't handle seeing the number down for a little bit, I would not recommend the stock market at all. Like, just completely forget this point, because you know, people will go to great lengths to avoid seeing that number go down, and I do not want that to be you. But over a span of time, it's better than putting your money in the bank. So that's where I like to keep my money. I do keep money in the bank, but I like to keep some in the stock market too. Alright, so the third passive income strategy is peer-to-peer lending. And for this strategy, you kind of play the role of the bank. So playing the role of the bank, you're going to need some money to start with this one as well. But typically with peer-to-peer lending, your investment will return with a 3 to 8% increase. So, yo, you got some money, you're getting more money. It's cool. Investing with companies like Lending Club, which I'll link below, will get you much higher returns than the bank. No, they're not an affiliate link. Speaking of the bank, the fourth way to make income passively is to open a high yield account. And this is basically where the bank gives you higher dividends on the money that you keep in the bank. Most banks pay a dividend of 0.01%, which is really low. It's basically the equivalent of you get 10 cents every year for each $1,000 you have in the bank. But companies like Ally pay you 2.2%, which means that for every $1,000 you have $22 each year. So would you rather have 10 cents or $22? So with that, switching the way that you bank can give you greater money to invest elsewhere for greater returns. Alright, so all the rest of them don't require any money to do. And the fifth way is to write an ebook. Once the initial work of writing the book is done, you can post it online and make some serious income. There are several companies that will pay you a check each month, like Amazon, just for people reading your book. And the more that you market your book, the more money that you make. You can literally write a book about anything and make money for a lifetime. So what do you have to lose? The sixth way that you can make passive income right from the comfort of your home is to rent out a room of your house. If you have any spare rooms in your house, why not rent them out on Airbnb? Millions of people use Airbnb to find a place to stay. And sometimes even for months at a time. That's great income right there. And a great way to turn your unused space into passive income. The seventh way to make passive income from the comforts of your own home is affiliate marketing. If you have even the smallest influence on any social media platform, whether it be Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, LinkedIn, or YouTube, companies want to partner with you for exposure and are willing to pay you to do so. There are several people making over $50,000 a month just using affiliate marketing, helping companies gain exposure through social media. And companies will also send free product for you to review for your followers as well. So not only do you get income, but if you partner with the right companies, you get free product as well. And this isn't just limited to traditional social media. You can also get paid to include links on personal websites or a blog. Some affiliates will pay you per click, some per customer product purchase. But some companies, depending on how specialized your account is and the engagement that you're going to get, they'll pay you per post. And per post, this is usually anywhere from hundreds to thousands of dollars. Some companies are even willing to sponsor travel if you do it in their name. So if you have any type of following on social media, affiliate marketing is a great way to make some passive income. Several people are even able to make it their job. I actually stayed with this family for a week, and the mom was making a killing off the money that she makes for her blog. If we can get this video to 100 likes, I will contact her and try to set up an interview with her. So y'all be sure to smash that like button. Alright, the next way that you can make some passive income is creating an online store with dropshipping. But basically the way that dropshipping works is the customer orders from your online store, but the order is sent to a manufacturer. The manufacturer then completes the order by shipping it to the customer. The cool thing about dropshipping is that you don't need to order inventory. The customer pays for the product and you collect the profits. The manufacturer stores and ships the product. If you're interested in dropshipping, a lot of people are making a killing on Shopify. Shopify even has a 14-day free trial for signing up. I'll post a video later where I sign up using the free trial and I'll show y'all my Shopify experience. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on it. The ninth way to make passive income right from the comfort of your own home is to create an online course. Like creating an ebook, you do all the work once and you get paid for life, all depending on how much you market your product. But you can charge more for a course than an ebook. So a few course sales a month will bring in some good passive income. This is a great way to make passive income. All you have to do is think about what you're better than most people at. Then build a course to help others get to your level in that subject. And even if you don't want to take the time marketing it, websites like Teachable can do the heavy lifting for you. All right, and passive income source number 10 is that you be sure to smash that like button. Oh, and here's a bonus. Another way to make some passive income is to advertise some of your items for rent. A great place to do this is on Craigslist. You can rent out ladders, power tools, ATVs, power tools, calculators, school supplies, etc. If you're going to do this, just make sure that you have a proper rental agreement signed by both parties. And also make sure that you get paid in cash beforehand. Make sure you see photo ID and make sure that you have like proof of their residency and all that stuff. It may also be a good idea to ask for a security deposit as well. It might be a little sketchier than all the other ways to bring in passive income, but if you have something like worth renting, then the money you make will definitely be worth it. I want to know which passive income methods sound the best to you. Let me know down below in the comments. Y'all make sure that you subscribe and stay tuned for next week's video in my financial freedom series. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure that y'all smash that like button. Also comment down below, share. Any sort of engagement helps this video. So please like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and join the family. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you found this helpful. Until next time.